Hey, welcome back everybody. Today I had a very big project. My daughter just turned 13 and I had to deep clean my sunroom where she's having her Cottage Core croquette tea party, and my dogs brought in a bunch of mud, as you can see here. So I'm going to be doing some real quick deep cleaning and then cooking and lots of baking for this tea party, which we were so excited for. So I hope you enjoy.
ADHD, why you steal my day? Run in circles, never finding my way. You make me hours disappear in a blur. Time slips away without a whisper. ADHD, you twist and you turn. You light up my mind and let it burn. You make me late, you make me green, you make me forget the in-between.
My goodness, do you guys see how dirty? Like, I literally just shampooed that rug a month ago, and it's usually not that dirty, but like I said, it has been so rainy, and look, you can see that. Do you see the difference in my rug right here? It's so gross. I was so mad, but like we can't help it. Like, we have like 6 inches of rain and big puppy dog that has been like just rolling in the mud. I've had towels and extra rugs. There's actually another rug that's usually by the door that was in the wash. And it has just been insane. And we're supposed to get like another 3 days of rain.
ADHD, twist and you turn. You light up my mind and let it burn. You make me late, you make me green, you make me forget the in-between. Why must you tease, why must you play? You leave me weary by end of day. A million sparks, an endless scene. ADHD, why you gotta be so mean? ADHD, you twist and you turn. You light up my mind and let it burn. You make me late, you make me green, you make me green, you make me green, you make me forget the in-between. The in-between. Oh, you make me forget the in-between. The in-between.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite things to do when making my daughter's, like making fluffy cakes, is whipping the egg whites instead of just doing the whole eggs. It makes your cake so much more fluffy, as you can see here. So once I had the egg whites, I did speed this up, you guys. I did not go this fast. You're supposed to slowly fold them into the cake, and it makes it like almost like an angel food cake, like fluffy. And it always comes out really good. Milk bread that I always make the kids love. So we made some pulled pork sandwiches. We made cucumber sandwiches, which they were not out yet because I was still making them, and people started showing.
Cascades of sound, a love so pure, each note a whisper.
But anyways, it came out super cute, did it not? Right? Like the Cottage Core. And that is a beautiful drop. My son was helping me out. So cute. But yeah, we had a really good time. Excuse me. There's my daughter. And yes, she's giving me that mega Chad face. The cake came out so cute. And you guys are gonna, this is like my favorite, my kid's favorite drink is strawberry lemonade with Sprite and glitter. It's a strawberry limeade. So good. You guys are not gonna believe this. I'm gonna show you how quickly that room got trashed within like 15 minutes. I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't get more pictures. But that's okay. We enjoyed it. We had fun. I hope you guys had a good time. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.